Yes. Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, welcome. And guys, thank you so much for 21k plus subscribers. I really appreciate your love and support. And today I'm coming live and clear. It's early morning here from our beautiful Airbnbs around here in Kenya, Africa. And on this video today, there's a super special video, guys. I always say I'm forever grateful for your love, and always I'm really much happy for you guys. And after you, or if it's going to be you guys, I couldn't be here at 21k subscribers. So good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. It depends on the place you want to be watching me from. And as today, as you see, I'm all in my combats around here. It's full army. I'll be heading to the village. We have started the construction towards my young brother Mogendi the Dreamer. And guys, please kindly show love. And always I'm forever grateful, as I said. So from here guys, I'll be heading there. Today we'll be buying materials, because yesterday we were digging about the foundation, and then and we brought sand. So today we are going to bring more materials like stones, and there'll be stones like this one over here. So it's a super special day guys today. And also I'll be running some errands to the magistrate, because I have a lot of things to do. So these so even I put my project into pending, so that I can just come and bring my brother together at these hard times. So we are going to make a foundation, and already I know there's some what you call like masons waiting for me at home in the village, in my parental home. So let's be heading there, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this. It is a two-bedroom house. It's a two-bedroom house, and a toilet inside, and a kitchen, and some, a big, let me say, reasonable living room or sitting room. So yeah, it's one by one. Let me just push. We are building, me and Bin Howie. And also guys, thank you so much. You showed us an amazing love, in which I lack words to say thank you guys. And let me just do this. Let's do this, because as I told you earlier, it is this way when sometimes you are kinda capable in the family and the other one isn't that much, because it sometimes brings chaos. Because when they see you maybe moving, they'll be like, oh, maybe this is the one doing this, or this is this. So the best thing is, everybody has his own crib. So for me to take this responsibility, I and Min Howie, to just bring up something. So like now, today I'll be heading to the magistrate. From there I'll come by maybe iron sheets, because iron sheets are the most crucial things, the most best things. Because during construction, if you buy iron sheets at first, that house wanna move on like fire. Because most people construct, and when they put timbers like this, let me show you, like timbers like this for the house, on the house for the roofing, and then they don't do what you call like buy iron sheet. They don't have iron sheets. The timbers end up rotting on the roof. So it's better to buy iron sheets. So from here we'll be heading to the bank, to the hardware, and do maybe some 1 2 3 when I come back from the magistrate. So from here I'm heading home. Let me show you the thrilling journey around here guys. So all right, see you there. Yeah guys, so we are here. I'm on our Porsche Cayenne. This is our motorbike right here. And also I'm not alone, I'm with a business partner.
Hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We're up early enough to go start our projects and do some other errands.
Yes.
So stick with us and pray for us, okay?
Yeah, this dog missed
T. This is T's dog.
Yeah.
So it's really missing her, so
Yeah.
it comes to open the gate.
Come to open the gate every day.
But she's not around. She's in Tanzania.
T, if you are watching this, T, your dog is
looking for you.
thinks this is T. Hi, Posiamboka.
Currently, T is doing videos with the Hazabet tribe, guys.
Yeah.
So guys, can you go check her out? So
Yeah.
Let's go, guys. Pray for us, and if you can, also support us.
Yeah.
for
Day
this
2.
project.
Day 2.
Yeah.
This is day 2 of Mugendi's house in the village. So let's head there, guys, and we see what's going on around.
Yes.
Like me here, let me run. Today it's a hectic day for me,
Yeah.
for sure. Like I'm heading where? To the magistrate, then from the magistrate back to the hardware, from the hardware controlling the muscles. But I know I'm with you.
Yeah.
So when I'm with you, everything is nice. Hold this.
Yes.
Tough lady.
Who's tough?
Tough lady.
Who is tough?
I know. When you are around, things can't go wrong.
Things can't go wrong, right?
Things can't go wrong.
Yeah.
When I'm with you near, even if I go for years, you still control things. That's the best thing I like about you.
Yeah.
Even now, guys, I'm heading there. You see, I woke her up in the morning, telling her we are going. So I leave her at the construction, and then me, I proceed to the magistrate to confirm what's going on the other end.
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, Shikam Toto, what's wrong with you?
Mura. Hey.
Shikam Toto, bana. Guys, I don't know. Anyway, let's go.
Yeah.
And proceed and do what we have to.
Yes.
Yeah. So, let's.
In the morning, the sun rises. I woke up from my bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I put on my clothes. I comb my hair. I take a cup of tea and run to school. My teacher teach me. He doesn't cheat me. Good teacher. Teacher teach me.
Hello. You're not saying hymns. The hymns. Songs.
Yeah, I remember well. Home sweet home.
Nasikia sauti.
Sauti ya mama. Sasa ni saa sita. Mwalimu kwaheri. Sasa ni saa ya nyumbani. Mwalimu kwaheri.
Kesho Mungu akipenda tutaonana kesho. Tusome.
Show them home.
Yep.
Yeah, here guys.
Uwa.
Fana, nilikuwa na So guys, we are home and we are here. Angusha kula hizi matunda.
Ndio. Jana I went with one.
Oh, you went with one. They're called sour sap. You know these are only found in Jamaica. Hey.
Very sweet.
Very, very sweet. Guys, let me check actually what the project is. We are home. We are home. So we were singing some hymns. So this is early morning. What you see around here. This is what you see. We just dug. We dug here a foundation. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, so we did this would be a bedroom. This would be a toilet, and also another one over here. So yeah, this is a 360. Let me give you a 360 of this, of what is going here before I just get out of this home, because I'll be back later. So we are waiting for stones. As you see already, we're having some masons already, so we're waiting for the stones to come. Yesterday we brought sand. Let me share with you what we brought yesterday. Then after that we want to see what's going on around, guys. So yesterday we brought sand, because the guy who brings supplies us with materials said he's going to bring more and more and more. So this morning we'll be doing what we call like bring things like this. So yeah, this is what you see. So we brought sand. Again, we're going to bring more sand. You saw here we had what we call like ballast. This is ballast. I told you we have ballast. We already have ballast, another ballast over there, and also more and more bricks. They're there. So if the bricks wanna go low, we wanna add blocks. But the best thing is today, let me focus on the stones of the foundation today, and then we wanna see what's going on around here. And also, yeah, that's how things move on. That's how things are, and that's how things are going on. It's early morning over here at home. Just arrived. Oh, it's very great. Mura vipi? Kopo, huh? Aye. This is our Mason's motorbike, and everything is nice. Birds are chirping, are singing melodious song to thank the Almighty God for their life of today, and also me, I'm thanking God for the life today. So everything is. I'm waiting for my grandma to wake up, and also my dad, so that we can see what's going on around. So you can see, guys, the truck has already come. Ona ikunyesha hapa. Sinyavaseka to sana. Haikunyesha hapa. So we are waiting for rivers. Let's come with the rivers. Aye. Yes, we are coming with the truck. Oh, those things. Wacha mugende amke akuje. Afieke. Mom. Say hi, mom. Hey, this is my mom, guys. It's my mom, just. Yes. Oh, you know her. Guys, this is our village supplier over here.
Supplier.
Yeah, guys.
I'm the one who supplies to Yamara.
Yeah.
Including you.
Yeah.
Nasto. Many YouTubers.
Yeah, many YouTubers.
And I need many more customers.
Yeah, guys. We like him because his truck gives us best. It favors us.
Yeah, the bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger, and also when you tell him to bring things, he brings them inside, at the site. Very.
Yeah, you need the customer.
Yeah,
you have to be true. Tell them true.
Yeah.
No cornering.
No
if you are cheating customer and bringing and don't bring, the customer will go.
Will go for sure.
So you must be careful with your job.
For sure.
So that you maintain the customer.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
guys. So let's wait and see what's going to bring around, and then more stones.
Okay. So I'm going to bring stones.
Okay. Up. Up. Kuja. Toka mratoka. Hapo hata harasa kidogo. Hapo. It's good, guys. If trucks go home. Unaona ni madereva ma'am. Si kama wale. These are drivers, guys. Lion of Judah. Other people come and cross that sand here. It's building in Africa, no jokes, guys. It's building in Africa, no jokes at all. Mugendi the dreamer must have his own crib. Hey. Chat, I see you, chat. I see you. This is the vehicle, guys. You can sell it. It's a big truck.
Big red vehicle.
Yes, red vehicle. Lion of Judah. Nobody can defeat it. Oh yeah, for sure, guys. Let you see the sun will be here like 10 trucks. It's only 2, but you'll see like 10 trucks. You'll see there'll be like 10 trucks.
Looks like
Miguu kumi. It says like it looks like 10 trucks. One truck actually of sand of this truck. It's like 10 trucks of tingas. It's a lot. And what I think about this guy is like he delivers to the site. You know, some they used to fear to branch there, so they pour sand at the roadside. Yeah, it's okay.
Kata gari hivyo. Yule kwa nyumba. Enda mbele. Enda mbele.
Good. Hey, it's a lot of
Rudi juu, mwambie rudi juu. Rudi juu. Ah, gari hivi. Rudi juu ende mbele. Rudi juu ende mbele.
Struggles of big. Hey, ready the truck. That's the sand is like dunia.
How do you see sand?
It's a lot.
How do you see
It's a lot.
carrying a lot of sand?
It's a lot of sand. So now it's stones.
Yeah.
Mchanga si ni mwingi mo. Uko poa.
I need you to carry this so that the vehicle is coming in reverse.
Yes.
To put the
Oh, the hard coast there. Oh, okay. So wachukue mchanga mara mama. Warudi tutaukatia hapa. Rudi juu. Yeah.
Kwa mawe. Haya pia jamaa, jimu kama kuchunga mgungu kabisa.
Yes, you see now we are complaining that it's cutting the flowers. Kumanga po hereki mjomba. So right here we're just creating a gate so that when he comes with the hard course, there's no need of pouring them there, so that he can come here. Minha, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Oh, we are here.
Yes.
So the work is around. Wamekatia jako maono. Yeah, so we brought.
This one will be enough?
It's a lot.
It's more than enough.
This is more than enough, I think, but let's approximate because it's 2 trucks that they look like 4 trucks.
Yeah, so I think we just let it be at 2 first.
Yeah, at 2.
And then we, after if it reduces, we can add.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's better actually. It's better. So for now, guys, because you're looking it on the camera, you see it's as if it's small. It's a heap of like it looks like 4 trucks.
It looks like 4 trucks.
Yeah. Because the sun there, you can be here for the light.
Oh.
Yeah.
Guys, look at it.
You woke up now?
I didn't wake up.
You woke up from the
I
morning.
didn't wake up now.
You woke up
Look
now.
at me.
You look like Nigerian.
The movies, remember the movies? Nini.
You know, like now you could be singing.
I don't know what they see.
Now you see the house.
And that time the ladies putting something on their head.
Their head.
Yeah. So guys, we are on construction.
Yes.
And this way, I think this is the best way to be, because sand. We are also doing some stuff.
We are doing some stuff.
So we need to just be like this.
Yeah, for sure.
But in the meantime, guys, thank you so much. Subscribe.
Yeah.
Now those are 2 trucks of sand. Construction, we have the masons there and the handmen.
Yeah,
all of them are ready. We only the person who has delayed us
is the hardcore guy.
The truck guy, the guy who's bringing this soil. The one who's bringing this soil. Because he said he has stones that they'll be here in the morning. But it's morning and the sand is not here.
But let's not complain. Let's give hope.
We are not complaining. We're just telling the viewers what's happening.
Yeah. Let's give hope.
Yeah. So
in a few, we will be here.
Yeah.
And mom is still going now to shop. Mom is going. Bring for me big fish.
Big fish.
She has gone. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's wait for the articles. Guys, the uncle you found a harbor. Oh.
Yeah, let us.
Oh, I have a lot of the harbor here.
So this one is a harbor. It's a harbor.
Okay.
That cleans blood.
Oh, this one.
When you use it, you cannot have some diseases in your blood.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's a very good one.
Yes, this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It's a very good one. It cleans blood, malaria, and other more bloods like boils. If you have boils.
Okay.
Yeah, and some spots in the blood.
And some spots in the blood.
Yeah.
These treats.
This one treats very good.
Okay, guys. Let me know. Let me know in the comment section, guys. How do you call this kind of?
In Kikuyu we call it.
Idiogori nyama.
Yes.
Endelea tumur.
Nataka tunaweka hapo tofali.
Eka hapo kando ya nyumba hapo. Hata hapo chini kwa nini hapo tu chini. Penye gari itagonga. Hapo kwa silipono mawita mwangu. Wekeni tu hapo kando. Wekeni pande hivi. So guys, ni mingi sana. I see guys there's a lot that is growing over here.
Yes.
Small.
Yes. When you have this one you boil it when you want to use it.
Yes.
You just boil it in a sufuria or in a pot.
Yes.
You put some water.
Yes.
When it boils very good and it becomes like vegetables.
When it reaches at the boiling point.
Yes.
You take it.
You can take now that water.
Yes.
Yeah. You drink it as soup.
Okay.
Like soup.
And you'll be treated.
Yes.
Okay. I never knew this, guys,
Yeah.
and it's actually at the compound, at my compound over here.
This one is a very good.
So you should be protected.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. You remove this one.
Yes.
Yes. For it
Them to grow much.
Yes. For it to have some good
Okay, so you should be weeding this for this, guys.
Yes,
It's called Yowari Nyama.
Yeah.
So this one, guys, you see it. I don't mean in the comment section. How do you call this? All does it actually found in your places back there where you come from? But here is in the village life, and I've been taught, man, stay in the village, stay strong.
Yes.
All right, guys, thank you. Okay, guys. Don't go to Nyama. He has laughed at his purpose, guys. Let's see at work. Woke up. Grandma woke up, and she's now doing what we call like enjoying the sun. Haidoma iye mulale, haidoma mwapiki langaso, haidoma iye mulale, haidoma wanena mwapiki langaso, haidoma iye mulale, haidoma. Hey. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
How are you guys?
How you guys?
You good, guys?
Good guy.
Blessed, guys.
Blessed guy.
Subscribe, guys. Guys, grandma, she's here. And she's doing good. She's saying, already she has changed the story. She has changed the story. Hi. She's saying bring what here we bring drinking water. She changed the story to so she says because of drinking water. We usually bring drinking water from we fetch drinking water from the other side. So she says drinking water should be at home and should be bringing
No.
no
English.
English
Yes.
a story.
A story good.
Okay. Hi. No English. Stop tomorrow. Yeah, so we want to see what's going on around, guys. For now she speaks on her own and then she'll be like, whoa. Yeah. Yes, guys, so I've received a call from Davis Senior. I've received a call from Davis Senior that they need sacks to make a road that goes to our land on the other side. So I'm literally going there to give him sacks so that they can rectify the road. Meanwhile, I show them the sacks.
The socks are here.
Yeah, I'm going to show you how he's going to make the road, and we see how everything is around. Then in a nutshell, this is how you see. Enjoy the beautiful view. Very nice view. People harvesting trees. Look at how people have great green maize, very healthy. So we are really near to our dreamland, so that we can see what's going on around. Yo. Advertise. Pasana. Yeah, so we are here. I've been told.
Okay,
Show them what we have
we want
to do.
to fix this road here.
You see here?
Yeah, so
Okay, Dad, you're not throw them here. You're taking them to the wood.
okay.
So this is what we want to do, guys. You see, like here we just made a little place, so we want to make other sacks so that we can fill the other side. And also here now, you see, like when water comes, they leave sand here, and it can be better. So yeah, that's the reason why we are having sacks here. So let's head downwards first. We give it to Davis Senior. We see what's going on.
Yeah.
See. Guys, so this is where we buy sand. Actually, we bought sand from here, and you see also we have another sand right here. So the man behind these projects all is just come here because of the sand.
The two of them.
Yeah, the two of them. Yeah. We are here with who?
We are there.
We are here with who?
Davis Senior.
And also
Your Majesty 254.
yes, guys.
So
These are
this is
the
our
guys.
work. You see, we've got a spade here.
Yes.
Trying to collect sand.
Yes.
And like enough, we've got a customer who is Claude Joseph, guys. So you can say that today we are rich. Actually, we sold.
Yeah.
This is the third truck that we are selling to you, right?
Yes. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. Davis Senior.
Yes.
We said what? Susan.
Leave that. Leave that one alone.
Okay.
Yeah, we are just okay here. We are ongoing with the work.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, we are about to
finish.
finish.
Okay, and also
Yeah.
brought you sacks that you
Yeah.
said. I don't know if it will be enough, but we just tried to do it. What else? That will where necessary. Where it will cover, it will cover. When I get more sacks, I'll bring.
I think we'll get some more sacks from my
Or from Mayuguno's place. Oh, that will be really great. Yes, that's what we call like now peace, love, and unity.
These are my people.
These are our people right
They are
here.
our people.
Please subscribe
Yeah,
to
guys,
Your
that is it.
Majesty, and also,
David Senior.
or do you have to say something, David?
That is it.
Yes.
Let's go on with work.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. Okay, guys. So, guys, they have been bringing bricks. These are the handmen. They have been bringing bricks over here, and also I've heard that they have brought stones, but the tire burst. So let me check them over here. What's going on around? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, here's the truck. Here's the truck, and they have stones. Very nice stones here. You know. So they have stones here. So they have stones around here, which is very nice, and then again,
Yeah.
introduce yourself.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to CJ Claude Joseph YouTube channel. If your first time here, so subscribe, liking, sharing the video.
Yes.
Right here, this is Mugende Dreamer. You can go check me on my YouTube channel at Mugende Dreamer. Road to 2K subscribers, guys. Here we are. We see stones. Still have stones, and the work is going to start
Today, this is the first truck, guys, and he's the only supplier here. You know, so he also gave a pass to a friend to bring more stones. So we are also having 2 trucks of what we call like stones. Already we have stones here again. You see, full nice stones. Look, guys. Full nice stones. Look, guys, full nice stones over here. So wow. Hey Mogendi, this is very full. Yeah, this one is very full over here. Yes. Hey Bob. So this one is very full over here. So we have this one. So also on this other side, this is the bigger one, you know. This is the bigger one, guys. Actually, yeah, this is pure clean heart, guys, and I'm really appreciating you for your real good support by watching this. Bring Mogendi's house over here, and we see Guturiko Pampu jump. Oh, let's see what's going on around. Let's go. This time again. Hey guys, it's hard work. Hard work in the village. So let's go. It's trucks after trucks. This is Mogendi's project. Hi. Okay, so let me pass inside here. I'll show you where we are heading. So we are inside here. The green stuffs are really nice here. So we are passing. Let's check what's going on. Hey, this is the site, guys. Already we have stones are here. Stones are coming. Siakuja tu. Hey. Everything is real. Kuja. You know me, I'm hyping. Kuja means come. Come. Hey, the truck is going, coming. here, guys. We have stones. Here, the road, here. Ipande juu ikatwe. You're breaking here, guys. Ala nayo baba, ala nayo. Itakatwa. Eh. Sasa mimi nimekuja sasa hivi wale walete panga upande juu. Wacha lete panga. That's a lot of stones, guys. A lot of stones. Congratulations to Mogendi, guys. Yako. Ashusha tu kidogo. Tibo. Hey. Hey.
Ngoja kidogo nikwambie. Wewe mchanga hapa.
Yaani nzito.
Ngoja. Inamisha bwana kabisa inama.
Ngoja. Kuna mtu yuko juu.
Ngoja. Inamisha.
Oh.
Inamisha. Atwende.
Oh my God.
Inamisha na mtu yuko juu gani?
Nyuma kidogo basi. Nyuma.
So guys, it's work here in Africa. Boys are struggling real nice. Mogendi here is so happy. I'm so happy for Mogendi.
Yeah, I'm happy for him too.
Yeah, he's so excited. Look, he wants even. He's here. He's very excited. He's jumping.
He can't believe it.
He can't believe it. Look, he's the one who is there. Alete panga wakati hapo. Huh? What? Hey, you know there's so many drivers here.
He's very strong.
Yeah.
Come on, kuja hapa. Hiyo shida inge.
Alitereza. And you know tire moja imebust. Yeah, one tire busted, so no, it busted there when they were coming. Okay. Yeah, so it couldn't have managed to maneuver up to the other side. But here is okay. Hapa si ni sawa, njia iko sawa.
Ayuba.
These you say drivers. If I cut you up a video, we have to cut that tree there a little bit so that we can see. You know, it's very indigenous. Wacha tukate chacha, wacha. Wacha tukate. Wacha nani unapelekea nini wapate? Wacha wakate mura.
Hiyo kitu haitatoka hapo. Okay, mwanza mchanga kidogo nyuma. Nimepanga.
Mogendi usirushiwe. Hey, that's Mogendi. He's very excited. Even he's going, instead of going to a tree on this other end, he's going. It's just okay. Okay. He's saving time. It's a good shortcut. Yeah. Mugendi. For sky needs, you katia pa umekanyaga. Pa umekanyaga tu. Punguza tu. Aye. Don't cut a tree while sitting on it. You'll become goat matata here. You'll become goat matata. Yeah, come. Come take a thumbnail for goat matata.
Goat matata?
Yeah, goat matata cutting the tree while sitting on it. No, I know, look, he's here. I have another little work here. I have another small work. Mugendi is up here and I've been hearing ngoja. Yes. Hey. Tirudi nyuma na niko hapa. Chacha. Tirudi nyuma niko hapa. This is Mugendi.
No, the car.
It has gone. It has gone. Unajua katikati. Sawa. So it's here.
Uniona nduli gorokosho. Jini anda na mti bana.
Hey. Pando kukatekate ile giri. Hi. The stones are here now. It's work for the basons now to work. Already the stones. So we'll see what we'll be waiting for. At least another truck is coming now. Bricks are here. Work after work. Hey. So they came 2 cars, guys. So the first one is here. Yeah, Maui. And it's full and great. So let's see this other truck. Already the work has started. Dog. That's the second truck.
Yeah.
I told you you have to be straight, no corner. This is working in corner.
Chacha, Nyamwini.
Nyosha. Ambia rungi miguu.
Tora boronge.
Mano kutoa mo meneno, mano. Leta tu hilo sana. Kuja juu.
No kona. You see now. Hapo wima. Hii gari ni ndogo but iko na mawe full. Yeah. Iko full sasa kabisa, hii nimeiona pia.
Enjo.
Binua hapa. Kaka ameshafungua mlango.
Bila no
kona chacha. Go away chacha. The stone will beat you.
Oh, there's something you are taking. The challenge will pass you.
Yeah.
By stone.
Yeah. But the challenge accepted.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think,
no corner.
We are done with the stones, right?
Yeah, we are done with the stones. It's only 2 trucks. Then we wait maybe for the sand for plastering.
Sand.
Yeah.
Do you need two will be enough or 3?
Maybe 3, but let's work for the 2 first. No,
like,
not now.
Do you think that will be enough?
Sand. But let's wait. But you're available.
Until you will add 1 more.
Okay.
If being available, maybe what if the sand is not there?
No, you go to our site and pick.
I'm going to the other side of Nyamwini.
Oh, at Nyamwini.
The sand I put there.
Okay.
I come back with another one here.
Okay.
That's it for here. Yeah. I think 3 will be enough for here.
Okay. We'll come with the we'll come with another
one, and then we are done.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Chacha.
Chacha is
happy.
No, I'm not happy.
Chacha, you are happy.
There are some
she should be happy.
Suffering here. They keep on calling, bring. But I have to finish your work with you.
Yes, I know.
Yeah. Well, this is really great.
Mnachukueni mama mnamweka toka wili bwana ndani mnampeleke hata mbili mbili. No problem. No problem. Yes.
As long as you deliver today.
As long as you deliver today, no problem. Okay.
You are excused.
I want to help another one. So
Yes.
Okay.
like you have enough material
Okay.
so that your workers can continue.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. And that's great, guys. So let's wait and see. Mugendi. Mugendi is vimbering. Mugendi. Yes. Mugendi is vimbering. Hey, wait, for Sky. Hey, careful, careful. You know these are both.
Kama wanagombana kubeba hapa na mwenye anaweka hapo.
Hata mimi nashangaa. Suppose guys, look. These stones, I'll put them up there. How does this?
Until it's full.
You must eat, you guys. Come now, it's coming.
Are you talking hapo?
Guys, it's amazing.
Very good,
Fast and nice.
Yeah.
You know.
Help you to get you another customer.
Yeah.
We'll help you.
We will help you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Instead of feeding somebody
Come this side.
chicken,
Yes.
instead I work.
Oh, for sure.
Instead of stealing someone's chicken, it's better for him to work.
Yeah.
Instead I did the work instead of stealing somebody's chicken.
Move.
Yeah, we don't want you to get injured. So be straight. No corner.
Everything is straightforward.
Okay. Let's wait and see, guys. The hardcores are very nice. This is the hardcores that I want. Not the other one that you brought, the other hardcores.
You bring it back to my, if I send you hard and
You will return it with you.
take it back to you.
Yeah, for sure. But this is nice. We say we send you back to the sender.
The one who knows this,
Yeah.
where I collect it.
This is very nice.
I walk there, I see the kids.
Yes.
So they send another vehicle to help me.
Oh, okay. That's very nice. Nini? Yes. Sasa nishike hiyo ya pili nikuje. Nakuja.
Maji ya kunywa.
What is it? Igali ungurumi. This is the second truck, guys. Hello. Hey, hey.
Hey, kiongozi.
Oh, sawa tagendere korogoru eta. So guys, this is it, and this is how you see. Aya. Nimwaga nini ni diesel? Oh, hydraulic. Nimemwagika hivyo. Ni sawa. Sasa hapo ni teve chuku. This is it, guys. Mira nimemtafuta makosa. Guys, this is it. Now again. Here's the work. This is how we carry. Here we put big stones here. And yeah, this is how we usually put big stones, and then we go. So we put here for the balance. Let's see.
It's only for allowance of carrying.
Allowance for carrying. Yes. Somebody might think it's grada, but it's not a grada. It's called machera in Swahili. So let me see. Mawe atakuja revo mpaka wapi Jom?
Hapa hivi.
Oh, hapo ni sawa tu.
Kwa hii side. Ona pale itaenda ndio inashuka mpaka pale chini. Alafu pasta shuka pale, shika pale.
Let's angalia. Let's see guys, the level.
Hapo na alama hapa. Ndio hiyo hapo.
Yaani hapo chini moyo itapanda juu hivi.
Inaonekana
Ina slant.
Ina slant? Oh. Okay.
Ndio nimeonyesha kama ni kurekebisha. Turekebishe ile tupandishe juu, lakini hatuwezi shusha zaidi hapo.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Ile msingi sio kubwa sana.
Sio kubwa.
Si kubwa. Mawe nimeona ni thick kabisa.
Mawe yatamaliza.
Mawe yatamaliza. Yeah, so this is it guys. So the work was officially started. We started the work late because of the stones. Yeah. You know this?
This one I'll break.
It's called Batco. It's called Batco, Sweden.
It's yours.
My dad used to be. Hey, this is for my dad. He used to be.
Go away.
Here. Boys are working like bees. Hello. Hey.
Guys, it's work here. Oh my God. I'm not tired, but I'm energized today because at least we've started something. So yeah, let's work towards achieving the dream. Let's work towards finishing these. I don't know. I'm praying in 1 month everything be complete and so that they can move in. I'm just praying. Pray of my heart.
I put a stone here for my brother.
What stone?
So take this, forget it, return that there. Eh? Like this. I carry this big stone. Yes, we are constructing. It's big. Me, I'm surprised how these people go take it in the truck. We put here.
Yes. The corner. Yes.
Your first stone.
Like that.
Like that.
Yes.
No corner.
No.
Hey guys, we have already started the construction.
Yeah.
Construction and we
Laying
are
of the foundation.
This is the laying of foundation and it's going on. Already you see.
Yeah.
The work is ongoing.
Okay.
Guys, let me check what we call like the bricks, how the bricks are going on. They have really created their own way. Look, these are the wheelbarrow way. But let me check what's going on around. Oh, they have really worked on these bricks. This is the goodness of saving. I save these bricks, but it's okay. You see, okay, these also have the other one there. Oh, they have really worked well. So this morning they have been working on the bricks. Let me take you. I saw even Dad was chipping in, working on this other end. He was really like, he want to push the wheelbarrow. Let me see how he's pushing the wheelbarrow. And we wanna see, this is our family garden here, fruit garden, as you have been seeing them all over around here. So this is on this other end. That is Mzee. That is Mzee pushing stones. Look. Yeah, almost for Tahiro makakono kimuhira hey tamuhira hey Mzee with his kofia. Hi.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, you are good.
Yes.
Hangaika na job.
You'll hangaika na job. You hangaika with the job now. Yes, you can see. Hey, naona kazi inachapa tata. Unaichapa kuichapa. Inaenda kuenda.
$60 million man.
$6 million man wapi? That is Dad running with the wheelbarrow over here. Like no man's business. Let's check and see. Hey. People have sweat like bees.
Suweke chini. Ama power, ama the $60 million
Mira.
man.
For sky. Shika hiyo wheelbarrow again. Wataongezana vidole. Atusibuze.
1 2 3 pole.
Ndako again.
Tuleta kadogo.
Weke kubwa eti kadogo.
Weke nyingine huko. Hapa. Kanji mwana kanji. Kama hiyo ni hata naibuyo hata mekagera. Haya.
Kuna chuma hiyo. That's mzee, our dad.
1 2 3 go.
Masui.
Azira mtakula pamoja masu yao. That's that actually. It's so hilarious over here. And the bricks are here. So let's wait and see where the bricks will take us on the other side. Mame, nikuvute. Aya. you have gone. Let's try we see what's going on around. Yay! Candy, yo! Slowly, mzee. A little bit. Wait.
I want to step here.
Okay. Your hand. That's good. Okay.
I'm the $60 million man, man.
Hey.
Hakuna mwanaume mwenye ako na nguvu kama mimi.
The $60 million man.
Dora man.
Yeah.
Mama, wewe unafikiri sisi sio wale tulikula uji wa watoto? Sisi tulikula uji wa wazee. Hapo.
That's enough.
Pao gronda. Mama.
Pull.
Nataka mfanye kazi kule.
Yuko sawa, yuko sawa.
Okay.
We sweat.
Maybe the kwani hukuona? Hukuona wewe?
Kwenye mbaba na mwa kemiki 10.
Kenapa kau betul bentangan ni letak kau tidak kari tu ya?
Guys, the job is almost with the foundation, as you see around here. So the foundation over here, we have really arranged the stones. The rain tried to rain, but it just stopped. So yeah, the outer wall, the outer foundation, this is how you see it has been so straight. It has been very straight on this other end, and it's about to rain over here. I think this is the time where we are doing what we call like even the tenders have started doing their own stuffs around here. So I guess by tomorrow we'll be done by this first here, while others will be working with this. Yeah, this work started almost the midday, but you can just tell how it is over here. The pang, it's here up. So yeah, that's it, and that's what you see around here, and this is how we have made it on this other end. And one truck already has been done. One truck of stones has gone, so we have remained with one, which I think will complete tomorrow. We also have what we call like sand is untouchable. Still yet we haven't yet used this. It's a big heap of sand, very big heap of sand. We haven't yet touched it. So the one amazing thing is we have here True Boy. True Boy, what is shockaging you?
I'm seeing how the rain is coming, you know.
You know, here we see the rain coming from this other side, from east.
Yeah, that's the rain coming from the east.
The rain is coming. Yeah.
So this is Mr. True Boy here.
Yes.
We are here working at this side.
Yes.
We're going to the dreamer side.
Yeah.
Dream sides, you know?
Yeah.
Hey, just see guys, even my hand.
Hey, mine are worse.
Dusty.
Mine are worse. Look.
No, mine are not visible because there is a lot of dust.
A lot of blisters, yes.
No,
God, the rain should stop, and it has stopped. I would say the rain stopped, it has stopped.
Guy, no. Yeah, but it has stopped, but it's coming.
Come, rain, come.
Emergency.
Yeah. Introduce yourself.
Yes, guys, this is Mr. Trueboy 208.
Yes.
If you are from Claude Joseph,
yes,
kindly visit my channel.
Yes.
At Trueboy 208, one word, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, and if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed,
yes,
please subscribe to Claude Joseph. Road to 50k subscribers. Show him love, guys. You know.
Show some love, and God will bless you.
Yeah.
Whenever love will dwell, there's just a lot of peace. Here we are in the land of Jamaica.
Blessing.
Back here in Kenya, Nyabohanse, the village in the world, which so famous in the world. Please show love and be sure, be granted peace in your heart. As we hear, everything should be nice. As true boy dance, and show us your moves.
No, my waist still is visible.
True boy, show us your moves. Da la 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 la.
So, I can dance well, you know. I'm a dancer by the way.
Oscar will use you. We'll see you in the clip.
I've remembered. So, for Sky, please don't. You know,
you'll find yourself, and Juma dance.
And sometimes you are working. We have to at least to make our body parts
flexible.
Yeah, this so that
muna mvua inanyesha, nafaa mtu muache hata kama ni utasukuma ya mwisho sawa tu, mvua inanyesha. So na mafundi hata wametoka. Yeah, I'm trying to tell them that it's raining. Be careful, Mura. Yeah, so let's see what's going on around, because now it's raining and things are really crazy over here. Home sweet home. Now we are building more. So they are using this. Mnafunikia huko. That one. So we are using this to Karuria and things are moving on well. So we have what? Yeah. So we have already done this. So we are doing this covering up so that when the rain is raining, it can't really damage it. Also here, the bricks, we have them here. Things are really nice. Yeah, so everything is really nice. Even now I thought it was not going to rain, but it's raining. Already it's raining. You see? Oh my God. Oh. So let the work stop. Fundi mtoke kwa mvua. Hey, jamani. So trading them to get out of the rain. Jomba tabia wake biyotaka bitora nyumba iko Mura. Iya. Siweke hizo ndani hivyo Mura. Osha maji ndio hii hapa. Hivi lazima uoshe vyombo Mura baada ya kazi. Kana wewe nkio baya.
Na marova.
Hata. Osha vitu baada ya kazi. Hiyo ni kazi nzuri. You wash tools after use. Is the good? Yes.
yeah, you wash the tools after use.
Yeah, ikikuwa hivyo ni sawa bana. Sasa hey. Yeah, and also on this. Na kuna mtu ameacha viatu hapa.
Kila mmoja ameacha viatu nje.
Oh. So it's okay, guys. So we are Mogend. What are you getting? Oh, are you wash your shoes?
Oh, me.
Hey, they're like tractors, look. Yeah. Na kuna ndoo umeacha huko juu tena. Let me bring the ndoo. Oh, tata unaoshea? Okay, sawa. So the rain, na kuna shati ya mtu hapa tena. Sijamwacha. Yeah, guys, that is it. And I'm really much grateful for each and every person around here for 21,000 subscribers plus. Be blessed always. We are on the road now to 30,000. Let's make it, guys. Let's do it. Let's subscribe, like, and leave a sweet comment. I really appreciate your love and support, man, for the good work that we are doing. You are really showing us some more love, and I can't take it for granted. So I really have that's my parents' house, grandma, my house. I'm in the middle. Mugendi here, maybe another brother can come and construct here, maybe his story building on his any kind of house, and we will really appreciate your love and support. So yeah, towards this Mugendi for this hard time, guys, let me try to comfort him, because now he lost 2 kids or 2 children in just a span of 3 weeks, which was very crazy. And the in-laws were coming here, and sometimes, you know, according to the cultures, you're not supposed, supposed to take your in-laws to your house, not to your brother's house. But now we broke the rules. I took them to the, what you call, like, to the Airbnbs there, and I felt like in my heart, I felt at this time, and through your support, what you showed us through these hard times, I decided, instead of maybe misusing the money, maybe giving him to go and do maybe other stuffs, I decided, I and Minhawi, to sit down and just schedule a budget, a small budget, though I'm not quite sure if it will finish, but also I'm taking it from genuinely from my pocket, just chip in around here to see how everything is, guys. So yeah, I'm really grateful for your love and support, guys. I can't take you for granted, because you are the only people who you have employed, Claude. You are the only people who can tell me, Claude, do this, and I do, because man, you are the only grateful, and very much grateful to you and every person around here. So yeah. So let me just end this video by saying thank you so much. Be blessed. Almighty God bless you all, and bye bye, guys, from here. Bye bye.